what are the deductions and exemptions which are restricted to non-resident Indians? Industry expert Mr. Gopal will elaborate on this now.
So there are certain deductions may not be available. So this you need to be very careful with. Like you have this investment under a special investment in 80CCG. We call it as RGESS. It's actually equity saving scheme. This is Rajiv Gandhi equity saving scheme. So this is actually directly you can, but that will not be eligible for deductions. Okay, only for residents it's applicable. Similarly, I normally pray that none of the associates should be eligible for this 80U, 80DD and DDB because it's a section exclusively for specially abled people. So that's not applicable for non-residents. It's only applicable for resident associates who are specially abled or who take care of their family member who are specially abled. So that is one thing we need to keep in mind. And also, when NRIs invest in senior citizen savings scheme, no special deductions. National savings scheme, no special deductions. Post office 5-year deposit scheme, no special deductions. That means out of your tax paid money, you can save this. But you are not eligible for any special deduction. And also public provident fund, they don't actually, as a non-resident Indian, they don't permit to open a PPF account at all. So, but maybe if you were during your period in India, you open a PPF account and later you have become a non-resident. So the law doesn't stop you in contributing as a non-resident. So that is one thing which I normally recommend even people when they are studying itself. Once they complete 18 years, I recommend them to open a PPF account. So maybe they will go abroad or somewhere, but the PPF account will remain and annually they can say 1.5 lakhs. So it's something, a phenomenal benefit they will get. And of course, money what you receive from PPF is also exempted. But as an NRI, you cannot open a PPF. So that is where you need to be careful about. So these are something you have to keep in mind with respect to the deductions part, which is not available, okay, generally, okay. But even after becoming an NRI, you contribute to PPF and you want to claim deductions under PPF. So that is one thing. Actually, ATC is eligible for non-resident Indian. But when you are resident, you have opened a PPF account and then you contribute. Then you are eligible for ATC deduction. You have to be very careful because generally, no, PPF you said not available. But as a resident, you open the account and then you contribute as a non-resident. You are actually eligible for ATC. So all these kind of small plannings you have to actually implement in a phased manner.
Thanks for your detailed explanation. Are you in search of a personal guide who can remove the stress of handling your finances? Then please feel free to avail our expert consultation. And also you can attend our webinars to gain investment related insights. Both the consultation and webinar are absolutely free and you can find the link in the below description. Please like and share and do subscribe to Holistic Investment.